Welcome to KSIS Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 26 December 2021. Kashmiri apples face Iranian kiwi pests. The import of Iranian kiwis from Afghanistan to India has posed a major concern for apple dealers in Kashmir following a contagious quarantine pest threat found earlier this month in New Delhi. సో ఆఫ్ఘనిస్తాన్ నుంచి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్న ఇరానియన్ కివీస్లో పెస్ట్ ఉండడం వల్ల కాశ్మీరీ యాపిల్ డీలర్స్కి ఇట్స్ బికమింగ్ అ కన్సర్న్ because there is a contagious quarantine threat. Alarm bells were set off in Kashmir, which produces 71% of country's apples, after the National Plant Protection Organization, a body under the Union Ministry of Agriculture and Family Welfare, wrote to Iran on December 7th about the incidence of two quarantine pests, Aspidiotus nerd and Inodilla auranti, in many shipments of kiwi from Iran. So, Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare కింద ఉన్న నేషనల్ ప్లాంట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ వాళ్ళు ఇరాన్కి దే రోట్ టు ఇరాన్ అబౌట్ ది ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ two pests named Aspidiotus nerd and Inodilla auranti, which are found in Iranian apples, which are being imported from Afghanistan. The Indian government has already conveyed to Iran that the phytosanitary certificates issued by the NPPO Iran for fresh kiwi fruits shall not be entertained from our end from December 8, 2021. So December 8, 2021 నుంచి మనం Iranian kiwis we not accepting. Migratory birds found dead near Chilka Lake in Odisha. Lack of migratory birds fly down from other parts of the globe to Odisha Chilka Lake, the largest wintering ground for birds in the Indian subcontinent around this time of the year. So, kuni lakhs of migratory birds will reach Odisha Chilka Lake during this time of the year from different parts of the globe. But many of them end up being served on lunch and dinner plates in roadside eateries near the lake. But many of the birds are being eaten. And this is what Odisha Forest Department suspects happened when it came across the carcasses of 29 migratory birds on Saturday. So 29 migratory birds were found dead on Saturday, and forest officials they think that they have been ended up as roadside eateries. However, unofficial sources put the number of carcasses at above 100. In 2020, third successive year, the Chilka Lake hosted over 1 million birds, and the area around it recorded more than 12 lakh, mostly migratory birds. So in the year 2020, Chilka Lake చుట్టుపక్కల కూడా 12 lakh migratory birds కనిపించాయి, and nearly over 1 million birds hosted in Chilka Lake. The lake hosts bird migratory from 1,000 miles away, including from the Caspian Sea, Lake Baikal, the Aral Sea, remote parts of Russia, the Kyrgyz steppes of Mongolia, Central and Southeast Asia, and Ladakh, and the Himalayas. The winged thus are drawn to the vast mud fields and abundant fish stock in Chilka. Poverty key factor in determining institutional delivery. Poverty, education, and exposure to a community health worker are more important than age at marriage in determining whether a mother will be able to have safe birth in a medical facility. So, women medical facility lo safe ka birthing ఇవ్వగలుగుతుందా లేదా అనడానికి poverty education ఇంకా community health worker కి ఉన్న connection age కంటే important అని a survey named Global Health Action and also National Family Health Survey చెప్తున్నాయి. And this survey explores socio-demographic factors and also barriers in institutional deliveries, which are the main reason for maternal mortality. And this study is focusing on 9 low-performing states, namely Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. These states constitute nearly half of the country's population and contribute 62% of maternal deaths and 71% of infant deaths, 72% of under 5 deaths, and 61% of deaths in the entire country. And ఇవి 12% of global maternal deaths కి కూడా contribute చేస్తాయి. And India का maternal mortality rate for now it is 133 per 1 lakh persons, and it remains alarmingly high. So maternal mortality rate ante 1 lakh live births lo the number of women who are dying. And as far as the barriers in accessing institutional deliveries were concerned, so institutional deliveries యొక్క barriers దగ్గరకు వస్తే 17% of women expressed distance or lack of transportation, 16% cited costs, and to be some of the challenges, and other reasons for facility closures, poor services, or trust issues. Thank you.